In the next video, I'm going to get into volume price analysis, or VPA, and that's represented by these different colored shapes in the view, and also over here, which is an explanation, but I don't want to talk about that in this video. I'm going to go in and edit the current view, and I'm going to go to my volume price analysis, and I'm going to deselect the display VPA analysis in the upper corner of the chart window, or the VPA flags on the chart. So I'm just going to get rid of those so we can concentrate on some of these other indicators that are available in HGSI. Now this is a chart that contains indicators that I use all the time. The force indexes, which are actually something that Dr. Alexander Elder came up with, but we use it differently in HGSI. It's today's price times today's volume minus yesterday's price. And then this is smooth with a 2-day exponential moving average, and the 13 is smooth with a 13-day exponential moving average. And that helps keep traders in a trade. Now moving down here, you can see there is a line here. This is the group line that is generated every day when you do your update, so we can see how a stock compares to its group. Now this stock just happens to be Alibaba, or BA. It's one of the leading stocks in the database right now. You can see that it's very strong, and the group is very strong. Down here we have pocket pivots from Gil Morales and Chris Casher. This is in an expansion contraction indicator that I put in, so I can tell if a stock is expanding or contracting based upon the 3-day exponential moving average versus the 18-day exponential moving average. And you can see those moving averages up here in the main portion of the chart along with the 18-day. Now this is something down here that's unique to HGSI. It is a volume point of control based upon 10 days and what we call 10 buckets. And I'm not going to get into that right now, but when it's green, it's a buy. When it's rose, it's consolidating, or a sell if it's in a downtrend. But these are just a few of the many indicators that are available. If you go in and edit the current view, let's say I wanted to add another indicator. I'll just click on Add Indicator, and I'm not going to add anything, but I just want to show you what's available in here. As I scroll down here, you can see that there are all kinds of indicators available for you. I pretty much use these indicators that I'm here because all of my indicators that I'm interested in or I find useful are based upon price and volume, a combination of those two. Or just price alone. The moving averages are based upon price alone. But the group line is extremely important. You'll see that in the next video. But there you have all kinds of options for indicators. Also, here's the fundamental panel. I'll be talking about this in the next video too, but it shows you the earnings and revenue for the last 8 quarters and the scorecard down here, the earnings per share rank, the relative strength rank when compared to all the other stocks in the database. The earnings per share rank is actually calculated on the slope and the standard deviation of this EPS line, the blue line. And then the group rank. So this is in a strong group, the stock is strong, and the earnings per share growth is very strong also. This gives the industry group over here, and so on. Dividend yield, if there is one, the 50-day average volume. And then there are other panels in here: market cap, shares out, float, institutionally held, a PE ratio, beta, return on equity. You can read these yourself. And here's another information panel. You just click through here and it gives all of this information. This tells what the business is. It gives a description of the business, and I'm back to my main panel. So in addition to having technical data, we have fundamental data, and the beauty of HGSI is we can scan on both. So if we're looking for stocks with strong fundamentals and technicals, or stocks that have strong fundamentals and they may be getting a buy signal, such as the volume point of control or pocket pivots or force indexes. We just bring up the chart and we can look at the chart and make a determination along with information which is contained in the fundamental panel. So we have the technicals for the trigger, and the fundamental panel will give us the fundamental information that we need, and we can scan on this fundamental information as well.